Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Jamaica. I am currently in Negril, Jamaica, and it is beautiful. We love to talk to people and ask people all these questions about Jamaica and just kind of figure out their opinion of what's the best place to go, what's all, where's the life at. And so we got to meet the executive chef here at Rockhouse, and he even got to give us a cooking class of one of their dishes that we have had here. And it was very abrupt. We didn't sign up for it or anything. He offered it to us because we had been talking to him so much just through meeting him, and it was so incredibly cool to get to see all of this, and for him to do this for us, it was amazing.
How are everybody doing? You guys good?
Good.
Alright, so my name is Bagga / Croc. Yeah? I'm the executive sous-chef at the Rockhouse Hotel. And today we're going to do old-time Synting. Yeah? Who knows what the old-time Synting is?
Oh, because they...
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do an old-time Synting. First thing first, we're going to put the pot hot. So, because we are outdoor, we're going to cook on high flames. Alright guys? We have all the ingredients here. We have our shrimp, we have our snapper, we have our calamari, and we have all the veggies. We have some Scotch bonnet over here. Yeah?
Can you get that in the States?
Yeah.
That way? Can you get Scotch bonnet?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet and hot.
We have some scallion, we have some fresh thyme, guys. Yes? We have some onion. And over here, we have a mixture of salt and pepper, fish seasoning. Alright?
Fish seasoning?
Fish seasoning.
Oh, what's in fish seasoning?
So the brand is Easy Spice that I was telling you guys earlier on. So this is the Easy Spice season, but this is the fish. Alright? So we have the fish, the chicken, and the meat. Alright? And over here we have some vegetable oil. We need a hot pot, so we're gonna add some. Just grease the bottom of the pot. Alright? And we let that hot. We have our main ingredients here, guys, which is the coconut milk. You cannot make a stew without a coconut milk. Coconut milk makes it a stew.
Is that unsweetened or sweetened?
Unsweetened. Alright? So, hot pot, then we're gonna add some seasoning. First things first, alright? I have a question for you guys, alright? Because we're all cooking together. So, we have shrimp, we have calamari, and we have snapper. So I'm just gonna go around the room and you tell me which one you think take the longest to cook.
Not the shrimp. Can't be the shrimp.
The shrimp and the calamari are gonna take the longest to cook.
Seriously?
The snapper is the easiest thing to
Yeah.
cook. Alright? So we're gonna get started.
That in last.
Yes, definitely. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna add all the seasoning. Yeah. Onion. Scallion.
Okay, I'll cut the whole season.
Alright, when you cook at home, how do you add the thyme? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna do like this, guys, and you're gonna see the end result. End of the dish, we're gonna remove the thyme, alright?
Oh.
Alright. So that's a hot pot. And remember we said we're gonna add the shrimp and calamari first, alright? Yeah.
You smell that?
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're gonna add some fish seasoning, and remember we have fish seasoning, salt and pepper, both mixed together, alright? So we're gonna add small amount. We're gonna save the rest for when we add the snapper and the coconut milk. Alright, so we're just gonna let these simmer for 3 to 4 minutes.
Oh, that thyme smells amazing.
Right. Alright guys, see what's going on? So we're gonna add some snapper. Yeah. Now we're gonna add some more seasoning. This is the time, guys, then we add the coconut milk, alright? Look at it, rich and creamy. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Every little drop. And guess what now, guys?
Scotch bonnet?
We're gonna add some Scotch bonnet. So, who likes spice? Everybody? Alright, so guess what?
Spice it up.
We're gonna spice up the Scotch bonnet the old time. So, we're gonna open the Scotch bonnet, yeah? And the trick is, guys, the Scotch bonnet, the heat is on the inside. So, if we do like this and put a Scotch bonnet inside, then you only get flavors, no heat, right? But because everybody here loves spice, we're gonna add some Scotch bonnet with the seeds, everything, so we get it spicy up. All right. Gonna cover. Let it simmer for 5 more minutes.
Down in there.
Yeah, man, the season is good.
It's good.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Over here, we have some chocho and carrot. So this is for just vegetable, for color. Yeah?
What is it, chocho?
Chocho. C-H-O-C-H-O. And this is what chocho look like. Similar to chayote. Yeah, it's a vegetable. We mostly use it in stew, soup, or if you have like some of the dish at the Rockhouse restaurant, then this is a part of the vegetable. Alright, so I'm just gonna go around, let you guys
Yeah, chocho.
taste what chocho is like. I'm gonna start right here.
Thank you. Thank you. I didn't know it.
Right, guys, look at that. Smell that?
Soft pepper.
Alright, look at the snapper, see?
Oh, yeah.
So it's almost there. Yeah? So imagine if we add the snapper first, what would happen?
Oh, yeah. Overcooked.
Right. And this dish, we serve this dish in the Rockhouse restaurant we serve it in a coconut bowl. So you see this dish contain a lot of coconut because you have your coconut milk and it also served in a coconut bowl. Yeah? We serve it with what we call a ramekin, a white rice, 3 slices of sweet potato, and 3 slices of fried plantain. And that's an old time Synting. We don't want to overcook our seafood, right?
Right.
So what we're gonna do is add a little cornstarch for thickener. Alright? If we were doing some other food and not a seafood, then we will go on low flames and let it simmer all the way down. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna use a little cornstarch and work magic, guys. Alright? And like in less than 2 minutes, look at this. So we don't want to have it too thick, so we're gonna add a small amount.
Right.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna add the vegetable for color. Alright, look at that. And you're gonna see the difference now. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, colorful. Yeah? Guess what, guys? The old time Synting is ready.
Nice.
So look at this. Remember how we add the thyme?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
You see? So everything almost fell off,
Yeah.
just like that in the dish. Because this is the original presentation, because of the COVID, we have to change it.
thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and hopefully we will see some more travel stuff here later this summer. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye y'all.